Welcome to ingredientsonline.com. Ingredientsonline.com introduces a new private label category. Now you can find solid dose nutraceutical products on the ingredientsonline.com platform. On the private label product listings, you'll find the same transparency you've come to expect at ingredientsonline.com. QC documents are posted and ready to download. To learn more about a private label product, scroll down or click the Learn More button underneath the product name. We know that sourcing private label products can be challenging. Our sellers can provide additional information such as supplement facts, research, essential documentation, and more. Do you sell private label solid dose products? Contact us to list your products on ingredientsonline.com. Visit ingredientsonline.com today to check out this exciting new category of products.